Hi everyone.
Hello.
Yeah, everyone tired. How many of you all have siblings over here? चलो मजा है. जिनको नहीं है भाग मत जाओ. So कहते हैं, actually शाहरुख खान कहते हैं कि किसी चीज को पूरे दिल से चाहो तो पूरी कायनात उसे तुमसे मिलाने की कोशिश में लग जाती है. And purely because Shahrukh Khan says this, I want to believe in it. And सच भी है यार. I mean, this July I had my first ever open mic. Nervous, scared, but I did it nonetheless, and it was such a magical experience. And literally last week I told my mom, "Kiya, kash I end the year with one more open mic because I want to feel that thing again, you know." And voila, here I am. Happy is the endings again, like Shahrukh Khan would say. But यहाँ पे शायद glitch हो गई. Because in my life, happy is the endings तो बहुत कम होती है. In fact, mostly sad, painful endings होती हैं. आपके साथ भी sometimes, I'm assuming. And I know कि आप बोलोगे यार, change is the only constant. For something new and beautiful to start, something has to end. But क्यों? What if I don't want that new and beautiful thing? What if I'd just rather keep what I already have? चलो थोड़ा context लाते हैं. So I'm the youngest child in my house, okay? I have two elder siblings, so I'm the youngest baby. Obviously, it comes with a lot of pampering, protection. Basically, घर का बिगड़ा हुआ बच्चा हूँ मैं, okay? Touch wood कोई नजर नहीं लगाएगा. My mom is behind. So yes, like I said, I've been pampered hell of a lot by my parents, by my siblings, and I love it. I love being the youngest. मैं सबको बोलती हूँ, youngest होने के ना अपने ही घाट है. घर में हर कोई आपकी बात मान लेता है. आपको इतना सा भी बुखार होता है, everybody is wandering around you. आपके एग्जाम स्केड्यूल पे लाइफ चलती है. Your siblings have fought the curfew battle, so basically आपको बस बोलना है उसको अलाउड है तो मुझे भी अलाउड होना चाहिए. And by chance, parents ने किसी चीज के लिए ना कह भी दिया, तो siblings उनको कन्विंस कर देंगे या आपको लूपहोल बता देंगे because they've been there done that. Basically, आप अपने घर के नंबर 1 प्रायोरिटी रहते हैं, right? And whether we like it or not, इस extreme prioritization की आदत लग ही जाती है. मुझे भी लग गई है. I keep soaking it all in, thinking कि यार चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए, इन 4 लोगों की लाइफ की नंबर 1 प्रायोरिटी तो हमेशा मेरी होगी. But that's not how life works. Ta-da, plot twist. As time passes, आपकी siblings की लाइफ में different things will come. Personal, professional, sometimes both. कोई सिबलिंग करियर के नाम पे घर छोड़ के चला जाएगा, किसी की शादी हो जाएगी और वो चला जाएगा. Some moments, some achievements, some or the other things will keep coming, and eventually आप उनके most important people के लिस्ट में शायद इकलौते नहीं रह जाते हो. Now don't think यार कैसी इंसान है वाटर को मौलिका अपनी सिबलिंग्स खुशी से हजम नहीं हो रही है. It's not like that. I obviously want them to be happy. I'm proud of them. I'm happy for them. लेकिन बस वो extreme प्रायोरिटाइजेशन की आदत लग जाती है ना, तो बस कभी कभी थोड़ा थोड़ा पिंच होता है. More context to the story. My eldest sister left for the UK when I was around 13 years old. Change was tough, but I had my middle sister and innumerable WhatsApp calls kind of made up for it. And my middle sister kind of played both roles, so मुझे honestly इतना शायद hit नहीं हुआ था, right? But tada, moved to 2024, start of 2024, and my middle sibling also goes to Canada for a few months. जब वो जा रही थी, उसके कुछ टाइम पहले से, there was this very nagging, uncomfortable, irritating feeling in my body, or in my mind, as you would like to say. But me being a Scorpion, I didn't want to think about it, I didn't want to dwell on it. But as we all know, that's the thing about feelings. जितना उससे भागोगे, उतना वो आपके पीछे पीछे आएगा, and that's what happened. The longer she stayed there, the longer that feeling multiplied. You know what that feeling was? Any guesses? Any guesses? That feeling was of my childhood ending. That childhood that meant a loud, noisy house all the time, that meant fighting for the room hours, fighting for the bathroom, fighting for clothes. That childhood that had us five all the time together under one roof, चाहे कुछ भी हो जाए. जब वो दोनों ही घर पे नहीं रही, I don't know, the realization was कि शायद रातों की रात में घर का छोटा बेबी शायद छोटा नहीं गया. A sense of loneliness came in, a sense of responsibility came in, responsibility to step into their shoes. And ये elder siblings ना वैसे बड़े annoying होते हैं, like they're really the most annoying people on planet Earth. But actually वो आपके लिए बहुत कुछ करते हैं, at least मेरे तो करते हैं. एंड सिर्फ आपके लिए नहीं, आपके घर वालों के लिए भी बहुत कुछ करते हैं, राइट? घर में हाथ बढ़ाते हैं, कभी कभी when parents fight they bear the brunt of it, they take a back seat many times, they defend me. मैं तो अपने स्विगी का बिल भी खुद नहीं भरती यार। बहुत बुरा लगा। I can't tell you what I felt that day. You know, I was happy for her. I was very happy for both of them. I admired them. I loved them. लेकिन at that moment suddenly मुझे realize हुआ कि शायद their achievements, their love life, their happiness came at the cost of my childhood ending. And चाहे मैं जितना भी उस चीज़ को hold back करने की कोशिश करूँ, या I want to hold back to it, I realize कि अब नहीं होगा. Things will change. Things will end. प्यार तो भाई कभी खत्म नहीं होगा. I will not let that happen. इतना तो my scorpion nature will, you know, take care of. लेकिन शायद वो बचपन वाली खुशी, वो बचपन वाला सुकून अब लाइफ में सिर्फ कभी कभी मिलेगा. You know, when they both come to visit together and I can again become घर का छोटा लाडला बिगड़ा हुआ बच्चा. So coming to the point, वैसे तो मैंने कहा था कि शाहरुख के कहने पे मैं हर चीज मान लेती हूँ, लेकिन यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा ग्लिच तो आ गया, because my friends, हर टाइम हैप्पी दी एंडिंग्स शायद नहीं होती. Sometimes instead of happy the ending, I would much rather just keep what I already have. Thank you so much. I hope you like it.